Guys, we put up our Christmas decor. How beautiful. Hi! Guys, this Christmas tree! Welcome back to my vlog. I have my drink. Guys, it has glitter in it. I don't know if you can tell, but there's glitter in the drink and it's really good. But I'm with Emily. It's Emily's birth week. So we started the week off last night with a movie and Christmas cookies and soup. But she got the same drink as me and we're getting a pizza. We're at Hampton Social and look how cute the little rose all day sign is. So cute. But yeah. We're just chilling. Happy birthday. Wow. Happy birthday. We got our Starbs. I got a peppermint mocha. What'd you get?
Chestnut praline, crawling, however you say it.
That's my favorite, but it was kind of depressing. They were out of the best part, the little toppings
like
on
the
it.
Crunchy toppings.
So sad, but
so good.
It's so pretty out. It's actually freezing. We're gonna go ice skating later, but it's so cute out today. And we're just gonna go and shop around. Do you want to be on the vlog? They're so cute. Guys, we just had the best charcuterie board. It was so good.
It was.
I really enjoyed it, and we pretty much ate everything except the olives. I'm quite impressed with that.
I am too.
Yeah. So now we're going back home. Emily changed. She got a cute sweater.
I got a sweater.
And we're gonna go ice skating. Guys, so we came and got drinks. How cute. Cheers. Cheers. Guys, our drinks legit match our outfits. Like, that matches Emily. Love that face. And then mine matches mine.
Vanilla.
So cute. So we're going ice skating.
So excited.
I'm so pumped.
I'm kind of nervous.
I'm a little nervous too, but I'm gonna perform a routine.
I don't know what's about to happen.
Yes, you know me, professional skater. Alright, so we're going right now. Drinks were good. We went to Cafe, is it Rose or Rose? I think it's Rose.
Rose.
I think it's Rose. It's R-O-Z-E. Cafe Rose.
That's R-O-S-E. Oh! We should cross.
So, that's what we're going to do. Also, this is Emily's parking situation right here. I'm not quite sure what's going on, but yeah, she ran into that. It's so pretty!
There's a horse on a carrot!
No!
I feel so bad for the horses. They make do that. Okay, we should...
Jasmine's the most amazing view there is. Guys, I didn't even start this off. I just went straight to the coffee. So I'm out with Jasmine right now. I'm so excited. We're at Restoration Hardware and we're getting cappuccinos. We got oat milk cappuccinos with, what did we get?
I got caramel syrup.
And
what syrup did you get?
I think I got the same thing.
Same thing.
Yeah.
So they're fire here.
They're beautiful.
And the night's not over, baby.
Yes.
Brooke is the best person to be around. She's so fun.
What are you saying? Hey, here you go. Okay guys, so we got a drink. We're at a holiday bar. It's so cute in here. Look at that. Is it a bomb? Okay. Fabulous. I just got home. I need to go take my makeup off and get ready for bed. But I had so much fun with Jasmine. We always had the best times together. But it was so cold out. We went to the Bobby Hotel and looked at some of the Christmas lights and stuff. And they have like cute little igloos on top. And then we just like hung out and had like a really good time together. We always do. She's the best. But I'm about to go take my makeup off and then I need to go to bed. So I wanted to go ahead and end the video off here. So thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to stay stellar. Alright, bye guys.
I was up late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.